most fulfilling part about putting this event on for my patients is seeing their joy and seeing their confidence and being all dolled up, their hair and makeup done, fabulous clothing, shoes, and their photos taken, and laughing, connecting with other women, but really feeling confident and feeling whole again.
For the past 10 years, I actually worried about, I knew this day would come to have a double mastectomy, and I don't want anybody to worry or be scared. I mean, the whole diagnosis of having breast cancer is scary, but it doesn't need to be. Dr. Zeidler is an amazing doctor. She will make you feel beautiful again, and actually more beautiful than when you walked in the door.
Seeing now, compared to not knowing what you're going to look like in the end, not knowing how you're going to feel about yourself, losing your hair, losing your eyebrows, your eyelashes, and then losing your breasts. And then at the end, seeing now, maybe on the inside it's not the same, but on the outside you're starting to be beautiful again, and you have a doctor that's looking out for you and making you feel you can trust her, that she's going to make you whole again, is just the best feeling in the world, and knowing that your life can somehow come back together again.
During the decision-making period, it was very difficult for me to imagine myself to look like someone else, to be in a different size, to not be me as a whole. And when I came to this office, seeing all the before and after pictures, I knew how Dr. Zeidler could customize all this procedure based on my need, and I could just be myself again. That part was very important for me, and I wanted to look the same, feel the same, and she provided that for me.
As a patient, having gone through breast reconstruction, and as a doctor having treated patients with breast cancer for the better of 2 decades, for me this is bittersweet. On one hand, I realized that what I've gone through, and on the other hand, it's like I realized the advances and how this made me feel whole as a patient. And then, of course, I would never want to have anyone make a decision that I impose on them, because I think it's a very personal decision. But I think every woman who had breast cancer should really consider having breast reconstruction.
I think me and Dr. Zeidler, we work very much for the satisfaction of our client. And I think every client has her own imagination and style, and we create a world for them that they're comfortable. So we work with our client very much the same. I work with fabric, she works with the skin.
It's a wonderful experience to be styled by Aesthetx. Like, she manages to bring together my sense of being feminine, my professionalism as a doctor and scientist, and ultimately as a patient. And I think this combination of bringing together fashion and style and science, if you will, is really incredible.
One of the most important part of styling these women are to find them happy and satisfied with their look in front of the mirror. I love to be part of this organization, and I love to see the smile in their face, and that's all I can ask for.
I love seeing their personalities and taking women through the journey of losing hair and losing their breasts. It's really wonderful, and a lot of times pulls at my heartstrings, brings tears to my eyes to see them come through on the other side, feeling beautiful and feeling confident. So it's incredibly rewarding to see their joy and feeling whole again.